Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today courtesy of Albrecht Buick GMC in Wakefield, Massachusetts. We have their 2022 Hyundai Elantra N manual. I've been waiting for this day for a while. Sticker price on this one, $33,215, phantom black over black. The first ever all new 22 Elantra N, never just drive. I've driven the Veloster N a couple times and I was blown away. Now stepping into the Elantra N, it's even better. This one's not been detailed quite yet, but I was here, I'm like, listen, can I just please take a look at it? Look at these seats. Oh, what an awesome car. Yep, 276 horse, 289 pound-feet of torque from a 2-liter twin scroll turbo. Bose sound system's pretty good. And corner carving differential, sport exhaust. Oh, what a cool, fun car for 33 grand new. Oh yeah, love this too. This is how you turn auto rev match on or off, all with that button here. The Hyundai N division is kind of the brainchild of Albert Buick. That name rings a bell. He was the head of M for, I don't know, some of their greatest cars they've ever made. E46 M3, E60 M5, E92 M3. He was the head guy behind those cars. And while they might not be the fastest M cars anymore, the thing they had in common was they were some of the best driving M cars ever made. And that opinion rings true today. People still say that. And you take that philosophy and you add it to the Elantra N, and you realize why this car exists. It's not the fastest car out there, but it sure as heck is one of the most fun. This car reinforces that you don't need to have money to have fun. This car solidifies the fact that for 33 grand, you can have one of the best driving cars on the market. Now we're in stop and go traffic, so I had to do that then because there was no other spot to do it. You know, in these kind of scenarios right here shows the tale of two cars for this thing. It's an Elantra at the end of the day, but it sure doesn't feel like one when you're pushing it through some twisty roads. I like this better than the Veloster N. Now I need to try the Kona N so I can try the full trio of full N products, even though now they have the Ioniq N. So the N line is just getting started. Gearbox is so good. truck would get out of the way, I could show you how good this car is around the corners. This car, here's the thing, I've driven almost all of the popular entry-level performance cars now. Here's what stands out about the Elantra N. It's the most fun. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the pops, the bangs. Oh, the steering feel. Oh. You know, and it's not the fastest. The Integra Type S would blow this thing out of the water. But the Integra Type S is also 20 grand more. And so is the Civic Type R, not including markups. The Civic Type R is 10 grand more. The GR Corolla starts at this price. And good luck touching one for sticker. Although they might be coming down. It's just the Marizos and Circuits that are probably still up there. Took me a second to get used to rev matching. Now I got it. Still got the good old e-brake. You know, yes, you start digging through, some of these materials are cheap. I don't care. I literally could care less. At this price point, I'm fine with it. This is the best car under $35,000. Done. Hands down. There's a reason why people are saying this is the best driver's car under $50,000. There's a reason why this is on a ton of best driver's cars lists. It's not about power. It's not about specs. It's not about having the best interior. You look at this car from that aspect, you'll be impressed, but you won't be won over. What will win you over is the fun to drive aspect. The second you sit in these might as well be Recaro seats. Although no, because these aren't Recaros. Because Recaros make me want to hurt and kick a puppy after 2 hours. These are actually pretty darn good. Remember what I was saying about Biermann's M cars going down in history as some of the best drivers cars? I might have got the generations wrong. You guys will blow me up in the comments anyway. Remember how I was talking about that? Biermann did the same for this car. He added his little special sauce to this car. And he, in the process, has made the best driving compact car there is. At least at this price point. He's made a car that when I get out of it, I'm upset. I almost want to do another lap. He's made a car that I would look forward to driving. He's made a car that takes a Hyundai Elantra, something that you would get at Enterprise. It has made it something enthusiasts will seek out for driving fun. If you start with something like a base Hyundai Elantra and you're able to do something like this with it, I want to try the rest of the ends. I want to try all of the ends, and I sure hope I can. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one.